In this video, I cut 2 swing arms in half, and I'll use polymorph, which is a meltable plastic, to hopefully stick the pieces back together. But will they hold on a rough gravel area? Let's find out. We are good to go. You can see there. So, will it break straight away? It is the roughest area that we could think about bringing it this time. Oh! Oh! Okay, do we have a breakage? Dun dun dun. No, we do not. Right, okay. Right, let's have a look at the early signs. No way, look at that. That's unbelievable. We moved over to what we would class as a slightly rougher area. Let's see how it gets on. Today we've got Colin driving, because if anybody can make a car roll and crash, it is young Colin. I am really impressed with this thermoplastic though, Colin. Absolutely brilliant stuff. Okay. Oh, nice. A quick double check. Not cracked and still holding. Unbelievable. This is the roughest of the areas that we know. Look at the size of these boulders. If I zoom in here, you can see how high they are, so if there is going to be any damage caused, it will be here. I mean, the car itself, even without these sawn up parts, probably wouldn't survive this anyway, but let's see how it gets on. How has that survived that, Colin? That is unbelievable. Or has it survived? Dun dun dun. Yes, it has. What? There's the car. This is what Colin is aiming for at as the highest speed as he can get. If it's gonna break, it's gonna break now. Go. You missed, Colin. Okay, that's going to be a little bit harder than what we expected, isn't it? As we couldn't hit the rocks to save our lives, he's now going to run or drive as fast as he can to this point. This is now steps down to the ocean. This should be a good test of it. So ladies and gentlemen, if you accidentally cut your RC car parts in half, don't panic. Get your thermoplastic out and you'll be fine. It's held together, and I'm absolutely gobsmacked at that fact. It's very hard plastic, so I assumed with the impacts that we're getting here that it would snap, and it hasn't. There's not even a crack on it. The originals bend, obviously, in an impact that stopped damage, but the plastic here, as I said, is rock hard, so the fact that it's not broken is unbelievable. So the question that I had is, can you use meltable plastic, the thermoplastic, as a temporary fix on your RC cars? Yes, you can, and it works very well. So links are in the description below, or check out the QR code there or there. I'll catch you next time. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.